In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective way to hide files inside Google Drive. Whether you're looking to maintain a bit more privacy or just want to keep your drive organized, this guide is here to help you out with just a few easy steps. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by visiting drive.google.com and logging in with your Google account if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see your drive, filled with all your documents, images, and files. The core idea here is to create a layered setup to make certain files less noticeable. Start by creating a new folder. You can do this by clicking the New button at the top left corner and selecting Folder. Give this new folder a name that won't attract attention. Something generic like 2019 Taxes or Meeting Notes often does the trick. Once your folder is created, open it by double-clicking it. Inside this folder, you're going to add a subfolder. But here's where the real magic happens. This subfolder will have a chain of layers to deter quick glances. So click New and then Folder again inside your first folder, naming this subfolder something like Archive or Miscellaneous. Now, the idea is to keep nesting folders. Create several layers by repeating this process, each time creating a new folder within the last one, until you have a decent depth, say 5 or 6 layers deep. Next, it's time to move your sensitive or private files into this last nested folder. You can do this by either dragging and dropping files from your computer directly into the folder, or by using the New button, selecting File Upload, and navigating to the file on your system to upload it. Remember, the deeper the chain, the less likely it is that someone will stumble upon your files accidentally when casually browsing your drive. While this method doesn't offer ironclad security, it securely conceals files by taking advantage of the simple fact that they won't be immediately visible or easily accessible. A small tip to enhance this setup is to log out of Google Drive when you're done working. Always ensure your Google account itself is secured with a strong password and two-factor authentication. This method mainly leverages psychology and practicality, not advanced encryption, but for many everyday scenarios, that is perfectly sufficient. Whether you're managing personal documents or sensitive projects, this structure helps keep your information a bit more tucked away. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy hiding!